Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, October 28, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast is sausage biscuit, for lunch is pulled pork. Tomorrow for breakfast is apple fritter, for lunch fish nuggets. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Students, remember we are still wearing masks for 2 more days, and then next week masks will be optional. But for the remainder of this week, we are wearing our masks and have them on correctly. Today's late duty is Miss Waller. Tomorrow is Miss Shaver. Word of the day is order of operations. The order of operations are a set of rules that tells the order in which to compute, okay? So if you have a problem or if you have an equation that has multiple operations in it, like it has addition, it has multiplication, there's a certain order you have to do them. So first you do anything in parentheses. Next you multiply and divide in order from left to right in the equation, and finally you add or subtract from left to right, and that is how you will get the correct answer. You have to go in that order of operations. Important dates. This week is Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. The 28th today is Read for the Record, so that's an exciting day. The 29th is Feel Good Friday, and our fundraiser ends. November 3rd is exciting. We have the Sunnyside Theater will be visiting us for our play for pre-K through 2nd grade. November 10th is Reading and Math PLT. November 11th is No School for Veterans Day. And November 12th, we will celebrate World Kindness Day by going out there and being kind. It is Red Ribbon Week. Today we are too bright for drugs and we have our sunglasses on, and tomorrow is Book Character Day. I would rather read than do drugs. Again, our coupon book fundraiser is drawing to an end, so make sure you get those coupon books sold and turn your order forms in. We will have a slightly modified book fair schedule today due to visitors in the building for Read for the Record. So, students and teachers, please listen to this modified schedule. From 9:30 to 10:30, we have 3rd grade. From 10:30 to 11:30, we have pre-K 1st and 2nd grade. From 12 to 1, we have 4th grade. From 1 to 2, we have 5th grade. And from 2 to 2:30, we have kindergarten. So remember, send 2 students. You can send up to 2 students at a time and make sure they have money to spend at the book fair. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.